Eric Stromquist and Ken Smyers here at IBCon RealCom 2014. We're here with one of the most recognizable guys here, John Petze from Sky Foundry. John, hey, thanks for taking a few minutes to talk with us.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks so much. We really have an important message we wanted to tell the audience about.
We do.
I think you may have seen it, but we made a big announcement here yesterday for Project Haystack, the open source initiative for data tagging and data modeling. We formed an official 501c6 nonprofit corporation to shepherd that whole standard forward, and that's a really big step. We've been at it for 3 years with a community of over 500 people now contributing. And it's just a real nice step to formalize and take the whole organization forward.
Well, John, you know, we accuse you of being Mr. Big Data, and for our listeners who might not know the significance of Haystack, which is huge, just a quick overview of why Haystack is such an important thing.
Sure. You know, one of the challenges we have with all of these smart systems is that the data that comes out of them isn't described. You don't know exactly what it means unless you had intimate knowledge of that system. So it's described as having poor semantic modeling, poor meaning. Okay. Well, you know what that does? It makes it harder and more expensive to use that data for benefit, like analytics, like reporting, and like analysis. So in 2011, a bunch of people got together and said, you know, there needs to be a solution for this. And we got together, formed a consortium, and open technology, fully available to anybody. You can download all the work, and it expresses a methodology of how we should define what data means so we can consume it between different applications.
Well, you know, some of Kenny Smyers' integrators coined a term called link monkey. Can you tell them what that means?
Well, that's what we're trying to avoid now, Eric. We want to go into the tagging convention so that we don't have to go through all that arduous work. We do it once, it's done, and then we're looking forward to the successful implementation of Haystack. We really are.
And so what that basically means is lower cost to set up and get the data for a new user, right?
Right. Lower cost for the owner, more success for everybody. So it's really something that's come. Its time has really come, and we're excited about moving forward with the organization.
Well, congratulations. Well, how can people get more information on Haystack?
ProjectHaystack.org is out there. It's project-haystack.org. Everything available is open source. Consider it. Maybe join in and contribute to the effort.
Now, Mr. Big Data here sometimes is very humble, but he also has an amazing company called Sky Foundry. I know you didn't want to, Sky Foundry, the Sky's part. I know you didn't want to talk about that, but dude, I'd be remiss if I didn't make sure that the public knew about your amazing product.
Well, thanks. So Sky Foundry is a software company. We make analytics software. Software that can consume the data coming out of building automation systems, metering systems, any types of devices, and then automatically detect patterns in that data that represent deviations from expected performance, faults, really opportunities for savings. So it closes the gap on how do we optimize and keep our buildings running right. And we've had great success with the software, used in over 5,500 buildings, over 250 million square feet now. So it's been a really exciting ride.
Well, I'll tell you what, we've been covering John and Sky Foundry for quite some time. Can vouch for him. I mean, he is top end, top shelf. People in the know trust their data with John Petze. John Petze, also the 2013 recipient of the Peacock Award, the ControlTrends Award, deservedly so. Let's also say hi to Mark Peacock, who couldn't be here.
Hey, Mark.
Hi, Mark.
You're watching.
All right, take care. John Petze, skyfoundry.com, haystack.org.